touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I touch the 5 for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch, I do it all. I won't cry, I'm scared of you. I'm not. Long as you joking, now answer me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming through it. Hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me.
Guys, welcome back to the Sweet Life of Shana. You know it's your girl Shana, of course. Welcome back. So guys, guess what's happening? Like, guess what's going on? Can anyone tell me what's like going on right now? Okay, so just stay tuned. Okay, stay tuned. So guys, looks what's good. It's snowing. We having a snowstorm again. We're getting like 10 centimeter of snow tonight. So you know, I'm going to show you guys what's going on, because right now standing here, it's snowing. As you guys can see, it's like blowing. Okay, so I will soon show you guys how outside look. So guys, this is outside. I'm stepping down. You see the cars? See what's going on? So this is our outside look. Wow, this, you see how outside is like very white. Wow, it's very white, guys. You guys see what's going on? As I said, remember what I said, guys, like we're getting like 10 centimeters of snow. So this right here that I'm showing you is not nothing yet. You guys see what's going on, right? Wow, I can't believe it, guys. It's like blowing in my face right now. Yes guys, everywhere is so white. Guys, someone's walking their dog in the snow. Yeah, you guys can see. Giving you a last look, guys. Last look. Guys, it's blowing in my face, literally blowing in my face. So yes guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend to subscribe to the Sweet Life of Shana. As you guys can see, I'm outside. We're having a snowstorm tonight. Yes, 10 centimeter of snow. Whoa, and it's so cold. You guys see that everywhere is white. So yes guys, just stay tuned and look out for the next video. Bye, love you guys.